Another day of Latagaw with Dawong Latagaw. Tara at samahan niyo akong maglatagaw dito sa PANGUIL Bay Bridge, which is considered as the longest bridge here in Mindanao. Ang PANGUIL Bay Bridge ay may sukat na 3.77 kilometers or kung i-convert mo to miles is 2.34 miles na nagko-connect sa Tangub in Misamis Occidental and Tubod in Lanao del Norte. Nasimulang i-build ang PANGUIL Bay Bridge noong February 28, 2020 with a construction cost of 7.37 billion pesos. Ito rin binuksan sa publiko noong September 27, 2024. Alam nyo bang dati kapag pupunta ka ng Tubod, Lanao del Norte or sa Tangub, Misamis Occidental ay sasakay ka pa ng ferry nung wala pa itong bridge na to. Ang ferry pala dati ay nasa Mukas or tinatawag nilang Mukas Ferry at saka sa kabilang side ay ang Misamis. At alam mo bang isa sa magandang naitulong itong bridge na to ay kung dati ay nag-ferry ka pa 2.5 hours ang magiging taas ng minuto sa biyahe mo. Pero ngayon, nasa 5 minuto na lang. Nasa Lanao ka na at saka nasa Usamis ka na. At saka kung sa history check pa ito dati, ito pa rin na-approved ng NEDA or National Economic and Development Authority noong 2015 together with the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH as the designated implementing agency. Ang loan agreement pala is the Bureau of Treasury ng Pilipinas and the Export-Import Bank of Korea Economic Development Cooperation Fund. It was signed by these two last April 28, 2016. And after more than 2 years later, the groundbreaking ceremony for the bridge was held on November 27, 2018. While watching the bridge, at saka titigan mo ng titigan, may naahalata ba kayo kung saan design ang medyo kaparehas niya? Yes po, tama po kayo. Talagang medyo the same talaga sa Korea, sa South Korea. Alam niyo ba kung bakit medyo kamukha siya ng South Korean style? For the reason that it was designed and constructed by Korean contractor Namkwang Engineering and Construction Corporation in a joint venture with Kukdung Engineering and Construction Co. and Gamguang Construction Corporation. Project management consulting pala was provided by Yushin Engineering Corporation in a joint venture with Pyonghwa Engineering Consultants. Ewan ko kung tama ba yung pagkakabigkas ko, hindi kasi ako Koreano mga kalatagaw pero may intindihan naman, di ba? Oh, ito, isa sa mga karagdagang impormasyon. Ang PANGUIL Bay Bridge pala had been planned as early as noong 1998 pa, when a pre-feasibility study was conducted during that year. O, di ba? 1998 pa na plano talaga. Pero biruin mo yun, nasimulan noong 2020 pa. Tapos, after 4 years, tapos na kaagad. O siya mga kalatagaw, i-enjoy nyo muna ang mga footages na kuha ko dito sa PANGUIL Bridge or PANGUIL Bay Bridge. O ayun mga kalatagaw, yan po ang PANGUIL Bay Bridge, which is the longest bridge here in Mindanao. Sa susunod na naman, paalam!